Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hi guys, my name is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session we are going to learn about Google Ads payment section. So previously we have seen like how to create a campaigns on multiple platforms like Google Search, Google Display, Google Shopping, and Google App Install, Google Discovery Ads. We have seen all that. Now we have to know how to make a payment and where we have to make a payment and what are the payment options that is available for us. So for that, what you have to do, just log into ads.google.com and you have to click upon sign in. So once you're done with the sign in, pick an account. So what you have to do next is at the top, you'll be able to find out your billing section. So this will be different from people to people. For few people, it will be under your tools and settings. For few people, it will be the separately billing section. So let me click upon billing here. Now here what we have to do, we have to click upon the setting option. If you click upon the setting option, you'll be entering into the main place. So we will be understanding everything slowly. So here we have to set the account. The first one is payment account name. You have to just give a name, whatever name that you want to. Let's say Victor's campaign. I'll be just writing it as Victor campaign over here. Then after that, how to pay. If you click on this edit option, either you can go for manual payment or you can leave it to automatic for Google. Now what happens if you select automatic? You have to give the credit card details or debit card details. Automatically on a particular day, your amount will get deducted. Month on month. Automatically your amount will get deducted. Now what if select a manual pay, you have to do it manually. Okay, then if you scroll down, you'll be having payment profile, your profile id, your country, your tax information, your business information, and all the other options which you have set. Okay, now can you see the manage payment uses? Now suppose if you are the owner and you have an accountant in your organization where he makes the payment, you have to click upon this manage payment option and you can give an authority to him. Just click upon add new user and you have to set his name, his phone number, his Gmail ID. You have to give it and you have to check the permission what you have. So you'll be having only read access, edit payment profile, sign up. Only regarding payment, he'll be looking into the content. He'll not focus on any other thing, only the payment part. Okay, so you can add his name like this. Now, towards your left, can you see the summary? Now, what is the summary? This summary will tells you like over what is the balance outstanding that you have. Okay, so few people will have around 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees. There are a lot of organization when you talk about Amazons and all. There are like nearly lakhs of rupees which will be there on Google Ads account because they keep on promoting the campaign, right? So depending upon that, you will be having a payment here. When you see there is zero payment or any payment, you can click upon this add make a payment option. Okay. Now before going to that, you'll be able to see the number of transactions which you have done, how many transactions via card, how many transactions via UPI that you can see able to see it here, and how to make a payment. You can add a payment method here. Click upon add payment method. So you have add credit card, debit card, and your link you can link with your Paytm wallet. Okay, easy way of doing it, adding credit card or debit card because it happens immediately. You can use that option which I suggest you. Then after that you have another option which we call as make a payment. Now all we need to do is just click upon the make a payment. So here we have an option money transfer, net banking, add credit card, payment. So we have good amount of option. So all we need to do is pick whichever option that you want to and you can set a payment. You have to just write your amount, how much you're ready to spend for Google and click upon make a payment. So this will lead to your payment gateway. Then you can make the payment to Google. Getting it? So you have other options also. If you click on make payment, let's say money transfer, so you will be able to get the Google details over here. Can you see your Google details? Citibank Mumbai, IFSC code of Google India Private Limited. Okay, so you can just make a payment to them. Now, what is document? So if you click on document, you'll be able to get it. Okay. There is no document at the moment. Documents related to your purchase, your subscription will show up here. When they are available, documents for the previous month's activity are usually available by the 5th working day. See, basically what happens here is you'll be able to get your documents related to your purchases that you have made to Google, and subscription. If you're subscribed to anything, that details you'll be able to get it. So for this, you need to talk to your Google customer care. They will guide you how to get the subscription or purchase if you need any additional setup on Google Ads. Then if you click on transaction, you'll be able to get all the previous transaction which you have made on this particular place. So let me click upon payment methods. So you can just click upon this add payment methods and you can have the option like we saw before. You can add the payment method. Then other option what we have, the last option what we have is promotion. Now you might have seen Google Ads credit, right? And you will be having certain coupon codes also. Suppose if you are a frequent buyer, frequent user of Google, Google will itself give you a coupon code. So that coupon code, you just need to click upon this plus and you can apply the coupon code and you just need to submit it over here. Okay, so whenever you're creating a campaign, whenever you're making a payment, this coupon code gets applied over there and you will be getting a certain amount of discount by Google. Okay, and this is all about the payment, guys. So let me check whether I have the real-time example for you to show. Just a minute. All right, so this is the real-time data what we have right now. Okay, so see the last payment which I have made and how much I have made, you'll be able to look into that. And via which card I have made the payment, how much I have made, 2000, 2000, and you can see the deduction also. So this is the summary, guys. So you'll be able to get all the summaries over here. So documents, you'll be having a PDF invoice and you can statement of your payment that you have made totally. So this is what you're going to get under the transaction. Now if you click on the summary, you'll be able to get this summary. Let me click on billing transfers. So it's manual payment what we have set, and this is the profile name. So see, this is what it is, guys. So you'll be able to understand like how much you have paid and from which account you have paid. Okay, can you see is Google Ad is the nickname what we have set for this account, and you'll be able to get the other information also over here. So basically this is how your Google Ads billing section work. You'll be able, in simple, I'll just brief it, I'll summarize it. You'll be able to do the payment using multiple options like credit card or debit card, money transfer, or you can use the Paytm. You can make the payment. Then you can check the summary like what is the balance that is there in this account. Okay, and how to add the payment now, and how to set it automatic or how to do it manually. So if you set it manually, you have to do it. So if it is automatic, Google itself will take the money month on month, guys. It will take month on month. Okay, so similarly it gives you the overview about the payment. Okay, hope this session was really informative for you guys how to make the payment to Google. Okay, so see you all soon in the next session. Until that, stay safe. Thank you so much and bye. All right, hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.